Today we're making Ali Nazik, a tasty Turkish dish with eggplant, beef, and yogurt. Check the description for details. Let's start. First, we need to roast our vegetables. Take 3 eggplants and 4 Capia Peppers. You can roast them in the oven, on the stove, or on a barbecue. For better cooking, make a few holes in the eggplants with a fork. While the eggplants and peppers are roasting, let's prepare the beef. Heat some olive oil in a pan and add 3 cloves of garlic. Sauté the garlic until it's fragrant. Next, add 300 grams of beef, cut into small pieces. Sauté the beef with the garlic until it's browned. Then, finely chop one of the roasted peppers and add it to the beef. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of pepper paste to the beef mixture. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Lower the heat and let the meat cook in its own juices until it's tender and fully cooked. Once the eggplants are roasted, peel them and chop them finely. In a bowl, mix the chopped eggplants with 1 crushed garlic clove and 1 cup of strained yogurt. Mix everything well until it's fully combined. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more delicious recipes. For the final step, place the eggplant and yogurt mixture on a serving plate. Top it with the cooked beef and garnish with the roasted peppers. We actually forgot to add the peppers for garnish, but make sure you don't forget this step. And there you have it, Ali Nazik, a flavorful and creamy Turkish dish that's perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and give us a like. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Enjoy your meal.